Super hot today. But yo, what's up squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. Really nice day today. I'm in the FA5. Started it up. It's 26 Celsius, so it's pretty hot. Today's gonna be interesting. As you can tell from the title, I'm gonna be heading to the track. First time on the track, first time racing. I'm gonna be with the crew today, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. Gonna be ripping it up in the corners. Time to head out. Got everything. Let's go. Let's go. Gang, gang. Gang, gang.
Gang, gang.
Can't expose the house though. Oops.
Many minutes later.
I need my camera out. How you
Nugget.
doing? How you doing? How you doing?
I'm blessed. I'm trying to figure it quick, yo.
That's jokes. I think I'm ready. Time to hop in.
Yo, bro. Hey, cameraman. Okay, just making sure that he's recording.
Yo, are you dumb, bro? Of course I'm recording. Oh,
Alright, time to do this.
Weight reduction.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, ready to go up there.
Weight reduction.
Who threw that?
I'm doing. Ready?
I'll pick that up after, fam.
I'm trying to cool it.
Fuck, yo, it's not focusing. No, not yet. Hi, fam.
Expensive. That's the thing. Expensive.
Hi, Dylan, my bad. I should text you a lie. I should text
You
him.
should text
I should text him I need to record.
It's your turn to whip.
Hand me over the keys, yo.
There you go, bro. Can you put it on the camera?
Nice and toasty
No.
for that whip. Alright, fam, how was it?
It's not that bad. We went to the track, first run. It was alright. I just have to get used to the braking because you feel like you're going so fast and you're like, where do I stop? But it's not that bad. Tires been holding up. Me and Julian are about to kill it again. So.
How was it, Julian?
I fucked up.
Right here.
Right here. I got confused.
Yeah, it looks complicated, yeah?
A little bit. Yo, they're saying the green pylon is the passing zone, yeah?
All man's hopping back in. Hopping back in. All man's hopping back in, bro.
man. Like the tires are actually like gripping.
Yeah.
You got the Honda with the hazards. Nah, don't take them. Oh, okay. Never mind.
It's messing me up.
Don't look back.
Yeah. It's messing me up.
Don't look back. Don't look back. Just signal them. You're good. You're good.
Jeez, this guy's killing it. You're actually killing it.
Let's go for another one.
Alright.
Crazy, man. First track day. How you feeling?
A1. I feel
A1?
like I'm ready. I feel like I'm ready to put the gloves on and go to Japan.
Helmet? Oh, helmet. Oh, you're Japan. Yeah, it's been fun. This car has limits. I like it. This car has new limits. That's the K in the back.
I'm gonna be famous, start my own YouTube channel and
Yeah.
shit. Oh, Jordan's gonna be behind
Oh,
me.
perfect. Got Jordan here. Taking a ride with Calvin, Absolute FD2. You guys already know who this is.
Warm up lap.
Yep.
That's the rubbing. I'll stop earlier.
Bro.
What is that?
I don't see it though. Whoa. You can't do that on Craftworks. Jeez, look at the view. Two builds chilling right now. Oh, it looks like it's about to rain, but all good. Alright squad, so it's been a while since I pulled out the camera and filmed. Yeah, in this video, we did take the FA5 to the track for the first time. My first time ever on the track. It was actually so fun. Yeah, it's kind of addicting. Like when you're on the track, like you just rip it, you downshift, you go through the turns. It's so fun. The car performed well, more than I expected, especially with these tires. They're kind of old. But yeah, go. If you have the chance and you can go to the track, your car's in good shape, go for it. Damn, it's starting to rain. But look at the results from going to the track. Hella brake dust on the RPF ones from the Stop Tech pads. Hella brake dust. Just a lot of brake dust. Definitely worth it though. Had so much fun on the track. So it is raining, but you know I gotta do something about that brake dust. So I got this Mother's wheel cleaner. Probably gonna clean the Miata wheels too. Start on this side. I just finished cleaning the wheels. Them wheels be shining. Look at this side. Looks shiny to me. Looks icy to me. So in terms of the channel, there's definitely going to be some changes coming up. It is the end of the season. There's not much to do. I'm pretty content with the cars, FA5, Miata. So yeah, there's definitely going to be some changes. Hope you guys stay tuned. Our fall merch, OG hoodies, will be available. Link will be in the description for anyone who wants to support. Go cop that. But yeah, continue to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.